Kawai ka kali ka litanra ikipatba Nongkyrshan jangka club football Liverpool ha kasingin kong ha kapor pakidang ya patba ban Lehkmen ya ka jingjab jangka ya ka Premier League ha England ha gani ka jingja apun nyomot ki brio lakit North Hospital but armot kan thup iwei hebred kilaman saujur ki pulit kilayat hu ba lakyam ya wei brio ba sanpulai snam karta nagathan Liverpool ya uba ki ngai ba udai unongnya jong ketika kali but kabalalit tenra ya ki patba Nongkyrshan ki badang Lehkmen ha kanong ba kabadon ha kathan chete lamsat ngi jong ka England.
Is there a way around that?
When the bus comes, you...
Is there a way around that?
What I can tell you is that we believe this to be an isolated incident and we are not currently looking for anyone else in relation to it. The incident is not being treated as terrorism.
It's cast a very dark shadow over what had been a joyous day for the city and the finale to a fabulous bank holiday weekend.
A family, a unit, a unit. First run of the night. Because we're a family.